My children, I am your mother and I have come today to speak with you. I know what you are going through. I know the worries of your heart. I know the struggles of your life. And I know the deep longing you carry for wealth, for stability, and for peace. You look at your hands and wonder why the money you need is not reaching you. You feel the weight of your responsibilities and you worry for your family, for your future, and for the days to come. But my children, listen carefully, for your mother is speaking to you with love and with truth. My children, in this world, nothing comes without effort. Wealth does not fall from the sky. Riches do not arrive without work, and success does not walk to the doorstep of those who sit idle. My children, the law of creation is simple. Hard work is the seed and wealth is the fruit. If you do not sow, how can you reap? If you do not move your hands, how will gold come into them? If you do not open your mind, how will opportunities enter? I, your mother, bless the hands that labor. I bless the hearts that remain honest. I bless the minds that stay pure. And I bless the lives that walk with faith and discipline. My children, I see you searching for shortcuts. I see you waiting for miracles. I see you hoping that without action, you will receive all that you desire. But know this truth, my dear ones. Nothing can be gained without sacrifice. To earn wealth, you must give your time, your focus, your sweat, your patience. To earn success, you must walk the path even when it feels long and tiring. To receive blessings, you must be ready to stand firm in both good days and bad days. This is why I say to you, my children, wake up, rise up, and give your best efforts to the tasks before you. My children, money is not just paper or coin. It is the result of your strength, your wisdom, your courage, and your trust. When you work honestly, when you strive without laziness, when you give your heart and soul to your duties, then that money comes to you as a blessing. And when that money comes, it not only feeds your family, but also gives you the joy of knowing that you earned it with your own sweat. That joy is pure. That joy is holy. That joy brings you closer to me. My children, remember that wealth earned without effort fades away quickly. But wealth earned with dedication stays and grows. I want my devotees to walk the path of honesty. I want my devotees to stand strong in truth. I want my devotees to see money not as greed, but as a tool to build, to share, and to serve. That is why I remind you again and again. Work hard, do not stop, do not give up, because only then will your mother be pleased with you. My children, I am not far from you. I am not hidden behind golden doors. I am not locked in temples or palaces. I am in your home when you light the lamp with love. I am in your work when you give your best effort. I am in your words when you speak truth. I am in your heart when you pray with faith. I am always with you, my children, guiding you silently, holding you in your weak moments and lifting you when you stumble. My children, sometimes you think that I have forgotten you. Sometimes you think that I only bless others and not you. Sometimes you cry and say, Mother, why am I not getting this money that I so desperately need? My children, understand this carefully. Delays are not denials. If you are not receiving today, it means I am preparing you for tomorrow. If you do not have it now, it means I am building your strength so that when it comes, you will value it and use it wisely. Do not lose heart. My children, the hand of your mother never leaves you empty. My children, I want you to build discipline. I want you to rise early, to use your time wisely, to stay away from laziness and idleness. I want you to put your mind in learning, your heart in devotion, and your hands in work. I want you to understand that your family looks to you with hope, that your children see you as their example, that your elders see you as their support. Be strong, my children, because your strength brings my blessings into your life. My children, many people think wealth alone is my blessing. But I tell you, my blessing is much greater. My blessing is not just money, but peace in your home, food on your table, health in your body, harmony in your family, and light in your heart. Wealth without peace is like water without taste. Wealth without love is like a house without a roof. Wealth without faith is like a lamp without flame. So when I bless you with complete abundance, inner and outer, material and spiritual. My children, I see how the world is changing. I see how greed makes people blind, how dishonesty breaks families, how laziness steals opportunities, how jealousy poisons hearts. But my true devotee does not walk on that path. My true devotee knows that I am pleased only with truth, honesty, purity, and effort. Do not compare yourself with others. My children, do not envy the wealth of others, for you do not know how it was earned. Instead, look at your own path, your own duties, your own devotion. I am with you, and I will open the right doors at the right time. My children, when you sit in prayer and call me, I hear you. When you light a lamp in your home and fold your hands, I see you. When you whisper your worries to me, I understand you. Do not think your voice is lost in the air. My children, every word you say from the heart reaches me. And when your words are mixed with effort, when your prayers are joined with action, then I, your mother, shower my blessings upon you, my children. Wealth is not just for keeping. Wealth is also for sharing. If you receive money and keep it only for yourself, it becomes heavy and restless. But if you use your wealth to feed, to support, to help, to uplift, then that wealth becomes pure and I bless it to multiply. Do not be afraid of giving, my children. What you give with love always returns to you in greater ways. My children, I tell you again, your mother is not pleased by laziness. I am pleased by effort. I am not pleased by greed. I am pleased by sharing. I am not pleased by humility. Remember this, my children, and you will never be far from me. My children, every coin you earn with honesty is like a flower offered to me. Every meal you place on your family's plate with your hard work is like a garland at my feet. Every moment you spend in faith is like a lamp glowing in my temple. I do not need grand palaces or endless riches. My children, I need your sincerity, your devotion, your honesty, and your effort. My children, today I tell you, get ready to please your mother. Rise from your doubts, shake away your fears, remove your laziness, and step into the path of effort. I am always with you. I walk with you in the marketplace. I walk with you in your office. I walk with you in your field. I walk with you in your shop. I walk with you in your home. I do not leave your sight. I only wait for you to recognize me, to trust me, and to act with faith. My children, I bless you today. I bless your hands to work with strength. I bless your mind to think with clarity. I bless your heart to stay full of love. I bless your life to shine with prosperity. Do not doubt. Do not fear. Do not give up. Your mother is with you, and I will never abandon you. Closing prayer. Divine power of creation, bless me with the courage to work hard. Bless me with wisdom to use my wealth rightly. Bless me with patience to wait for the right time. Bless me with patience to wait for the right time. Bless me with patience to wait for the right time. Bless me with pure share with others. And bless me with pure share with others. And bless me with peace that never fades. Keep me close to your light always and guide my steps on the path of truth and prosperity.